I'm Rosie Stano, Senior Product Consultant, and I'm joined today by Martin Brierley, founder and partner at Candyspace. And today we're going to be discussing how CMS replatforming is absolutely critical for digital transformation. So, Martin, why is CMS replatforming critical for improving business growth and digital transformation?
So, listen, the choice of CMS is almost irrelevant. What it's all about is understanding strategically where your business needs to go and how you're going to get there. So it's all about growth. It's all about enabling your business to deliver better for your customer. It's about marrying your business demand with your customer need. And choosing a CMS is instrumental as part of that journey. And that's what we do at Candyspace. We help businesses understand the importance of that journey and the importance of their technology choices along the way.
So Candyspace has helped some of the biggest brands globally like Rolls-Royce, ITV, Mazda and Global to transform their digital experience. What do you think, Martin, makes Candyspace so special and different from other agencies?
Okay, I think what we're about is expertise. We're about human expertise, and that's the understanding of the humans in your business and the humans who are your customers. And I think that we are technology agnostic, but I think we're solution and impact focused. And I think our religious attention to detail around customer experience, user experience design, understanding your business and how that flows through to your end user is what makes us special. And I think the way that we marry that attention to detail around customer experience with technological excellence and our agnostic approach makes us different.
So with digital technology evolving rapidly, what investments do you think businesses and brands should be making now to evolve their digital estate beyond just focusing on pure CMS?
So it's a really good question. And I think, the digital estates of most businesses need to change very rapidly. And probably for many businesses are undergoing change right now. And it's painful, it's difficult. And understanding where the future is going to lead them is problematic. It's almost impossible to foretell the future, but what I would say from a knowledge of the past is that an ever more relentless focus on the customer is going to bring results. So yes, we can talk about AI, but AI needs to be used in the service of the customer. AI needs to be used in a human way as a tool, not as a replacement, but as a way of helping you better engage with your customer. It needs to be used, and AI is obviously one of those things that most businesses will be thinking about right now. It's going to be used it has to be used in a way that is humanizing, not in terms of distancing and alienating. And I think that the concern that so many of us have about AI is that it is alienating and it is distancing. So what we need to work on, all of us together, is how to implement AI to the betterment of all, whether it's to the betterment of the process, whether it's to the betterment of your business and the stakeholders within it, or whether it's to the betterment of those developers, for example, who are writing code more efficiently or quicker or in a more streamlined fashion. It also needs to help us understand how better to deliver, and it can help us better deliver more personalized, more intimate experiences for the end user.
I'm curious to know, Martin, how important do you think it is for businesses to have the right business strategy in place and not just rely upon having the right technology and the right people in place?
Listen, a technology is only a tool. The tool is only there in the service of the business, and the business's strategy is only there in the service of the business's vision and its mission and purpose. So having a strategy which lays out a 5-10-year plan, it may not be held to rigorously day in, day out over those 10 years. It may flex and it may pivot and it may change. But actually the strategy is what holds the business together. It's what holds your work team together, and it's what holds you to your customers. They know who you are through your brand, they know your brand strategy, they understand all of your communications because of the consistency of them. And that comes from your clear strategy.
And final one from me today, Martin. What does the future of Candyspace hold?
Candyspace is a growth-driven, ambitious company. Those are qualities that we see in all our clients, and that's why we like our clients. So we are intent on fulfilling ambitions to grow, ambitions for our people to grow within the company, and of course delivering growth for our clients. What that means for us is that we will continue to build excellence in web experience and mobile experiences. We'll continue to grow our sector experience across new and different sectors. And we will expand out more globally. We have clients in Germany and the US, and I would imagine that we would expand those out into other territories.
Thank you so much, Martin. It's been wonderful speaking with you today.
Thank you.